Hey everybody, Chad here with Earthworks. Just wanting to do a quick video to go over a couple of things that we're currently seeing in our customers' yards and kind of across Northeast Florida. With all of this rain, it's been great, right? We're getting all of the water and stuff that we need, but it can create other issues. So anything previously, we're always kind of preaching this time of year to make sure that we are getting three days of irrigation per week, or a better way to say it is 3 watering events. And what I mean by the events are that includes rain as well. So unfortunately, when it comes to irrigation or you know, getting the right amount of water on your turf, plants and shrubs, it's not a set it and forget it type thing. It's a constant dance of adding to and removing. So if you had your irrigation set for 3 days per week, and then we get 4 days of rain or 3 days of rain, then you have 6 or 7 watering events for that week. And that's just gonna be too much for your turf. The problems you'll start to experience from that will be, the 2 that we're seeing right now is gray leaf spot and take all root rot. With the gray leaf spot, it's more so relatively minor. It doesn't look the greatest, but it doesn't cause a bunch of damage. And it's actually not anything that you even need to treat. It will grow out of that, and then when you mow, you'll just remove it and you'll be fine. The take-all root rot is something that you will want to address. And what causes that take-all root rot is it comes back to cultural practice, and in this case, just too much water. So you'll want to, one, make sure that you dial back your watering or your irrigation. We can't control the rain, obviously, but you can make sure, like if we get 3 days of rain in a week, then you simply don't need to irrigate for that week. And then you'll have to make sure though that you are mindful, if the following week we don't get any rain, you're gonna need to add that irrigation back. So that's where I say it's a dance, it's a constant finesse of the irrigation. The signs of the take all root rot is you will start to get, you'll have green grass blades, but within there you start to get yellowing of the blades. They start to, you know, fall and die off. And it actually ends up creating a gas, a toxic gas that will actually start taking out all of the other turf. So if you see the beginning signs of it, and we'll put up a picture of that. If you see the beginning signs of it, it's not too late. It's not take all root rot yet, but it is heading in that direction. So when you start to see that yellowing turf, that's when you need to act fast. Make sure you dial back the irrigation. And then if you don't see any improvement or not enough improvement from that, then you may need aerification and possible top dressing. But if you have any questions, feel free to email us with it or give us a call at 904-996-0712. Thanks, guys.